Me can beg some credit. No worry about that, man. Just send me some credit.
Alright.
You really send her credit, my youth?
Boy, if me send her a little credit, cause as she has sought me out to know anything. I'm gonna stay like the rest of man the way. We just deal with woman and I give them nothing. I'm gonna stay so.
Well, I don't really have no problem, But every minute she call you and tell you she want credit, you take up your phone and send credit go give her. I give a few months, so I don't see what you send her credit for.
Well, you can go and talk, cause everybody have to share. I'm certain no say all you good all share too.
I'm excited, credit coming. Hello. Girl, nobody with the excitement. Come. Where's it happen now? Hey! Me a come, girl, me a come. Whoa, me a come. Why you this one, yeah? So girl, where you tell me some if you call in and see the walker come away they go?
Girl, this is a story I couldn't wait. I have to walk home meet you with it. Come sit down and tell you about it.
Okay.
Brad, what you know, say I'm not looking for
Follow that someone. Consider yourself.
So Brad, what you doing in your saddle? What you want to do in your saddle?
Right no more. Not even know what to do right now. Because enough lip on the brain right now.
The day after, so you're not worried about nothing the day after. I don't know, you can't tell me anything, not true. So all it's just me off your head, I have to take them off, because I'm there for you. But I still want to hear what's just you and what they put your head still.
Remember Jaden, my older brother?
Yeah, man. Remember Jaden, man, all up to last week, I see him come from work up at hotel.
You know, say what you see him come from though. You know, again, look at them, fire him. I understand. I did help do certain things right now. My mother is sick in the hospital. And I did do certain things. And I had stress. But anyway, I'm going to lay low.
Boy, I'm sorry for hear that, So you can't get no more work. By the way, how you know say your brother breed that catty be the way you tell me about say your brother breed? And your brother for know, and you know instead of your brother.
Mama, a bag of things are going on. I don't even know what to tell us. John, no. Swear.
Remember Jay?
Jay. Which Jay that day?
You remember Jaden from Good Up?
Brown Jay we used to go to high school with.
Him same one.
And he start work at Sanders now.
No girl, they fire him. And that make the story sweeter. You know Kayla?
Yes, girl. So what happened now?
She know they breed for Jaden.
So hold on there. Jaden not married.
Then night girl.
Hey! So hold on there. Where you get all them a story? Who tell them a story?
You know so we can't do to load it up still, but yeah, we soon get it fully.
Well, the people them wanna call me. So later, we'll link up. Alright, girl, me have my hair to go deal with too. So we link.
Alright, well, go on. So, I could do this fast. You know, see, at least I try end it nicely this time. It's not my fault, people. You know, have to like, share, and subscribe. Imagine get one full-length movie shot like that. One bag of hands. But yeah, people, that was me. I play with the camera, as usual. You know me. Like the camera, like video edit, like shoot. And yes, people, I know I get a B-roll, a break. But this whole shooting movie thing kind of nice now. And then I don't know, the videos and video editing and cinematography have a whole heap of branches. And if you don't know me, I don't know, follow me for a long time, I don't know, say, oh, this is my passion. Yo, yeah, I don't know, say I'm passionate. I come out here. Like, share, and subscribe. Later.
Don't know, big up to Richard Brown Film, big up to Jamil. I'm an actor from Richard Brown Film, I don't know. You understand? We have a YouTube channel going on. I want to go over there and subscribe and share. You understand? My YouTube channel name is Nice Can. I don't know. You know, we're out here live and direct.
Don't know, because if you look funny, you have to know, man.
No,
Alright.
no, this don't know.
Go make
After
sense. Go make
Papa, run for now.
No, make that stitch it.
No, man, just run more and catch you run. Run it more.
Oh, but you shot or show so.
How if you show from so far?
Let me shot, man. Man, that is so up shot, no, man.
Alright, show up your shot and come back.
Show that part here.
Come on, sir.
You supposed to close pin and pin up here. No, Barlow.
Come back right here. So hold him up first and then let him go. Come back right here. Alright, also the hide hand. No, Alton, come back here, see my brother. Come here. Alton, just turn over to him. Start first, so hold you up. Then you go back there. Come back here. Come hold him up.
Take a lunch, Jonas.
What? What?
No bother start. Just catch you one.
Come hold him back here. Come hold him up, Alton. I waste the time to shoot back at time,
I don't know, waste of time. Just get you something.
So I'm saying, you make you hold your back.
Alton,
I'll catch it close, look how wide me shoot a while ago, just make you hold your back, no man.
Alton,
Alton, feel good, okay, but you feel good. I don't feel no best. You have a feeling. Very good.
Right, Alton, tell me that's a big boy.
Big boy.
yeah.
Big boy. I sent about that to much.
Say that's your name.
Yeah, but a big boy.
Yeah, big boy.
Yeah, come, get closer, come.
Tap one, someone.
Go on.
No, look funny.
Stop laugh. I mean, I get
No. You can't buy make it on. Like a blood clot. No, but you want to look for one. Look for you. Ready?
Come, you can talk to him. Let him, hug him up and let him go and talk to him.
Run
If
for
you
me
don't
now.
talk to him, no, you grab him back.
Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. You big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy, you can? You can't do it,
Me have key already.
That's a key and come to me, man.
No, you're looking yourself. You're looking.
You body him up, you know.
Yo, you're made dead now, you know.
You can't.
Yeah, one more, yo, one now. When you see me now running now, where we no guy on a bomber board? I'm here there now, you know. Just get take it up.
Body,
Me there, I'm the one coming off here, you know. Yo, which can they have? I'm going to mash up around
I
here.
tell about Kira. Your
I
body,
tell you, mother, I'm going to mash up our candy, you know. You know me? Aye. You know, I let me out of saying, bad, no bad.
I mean, I'm blah blah.
Blow.
From Flanka, yeah, bad girl.
Yeah, man. Step on, but not laugh. If you laugh, you're not going to pray that you're
Flanka.
You got flanker.
What he had?
Flanker, bad place, but you call it.
What he had? telling you, body come from
We have something to say. We may have body more.
What am I doing?
Why you know?
In my run, when do I want to you wanna hide never there? You wanna hide?
Yes.
When I got,
Where
yeah,
you run?
yeah, when I call you, where you wanna
innit?
hide for? Yo, what? What man look good? Dirty dog, man look good. When I run for me, you know, yo, man say, yeah, me when the place, I mean, blood, you know, I know, I'm mash up out here, you know. Yo, listen, it's fun come up now, I mean, dead. Yeah, I mean, dead. So when I see you, when I call you, you come. And if you come check me too. I don't need to come and come check for you, and the more you come check for me, because I'm mash up out here. Let's go.
Yeah, we don't have to walk to look for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Body up.
But I can make you know, say,
We know you bad up people, you know.
you ready? Body him up. Let's go.
Richie, you spoon in your phone now.
Eh?
You spoon in your iPhone, making video.
Don't catch this.
Oh, you don't search for it. Go for it.
Don't catch what?
I tell Ackeen don't catch this. I be any sins, madam.
None of it. Let's go.
What me not to catch?
You come with a well, you catch yourself.
This, don't catch this.
Show him, show somebody.
Large Japan.
Like that.
Lady.
Like jumping.
I'll show you lady. Lady can't manage that now. That's time. Let's go.
Lady, me gonna give you a piece of insurance. You might give it to me here.
Hold on.
You know, man. Take it to them now.
Make it hold up, man. Because it's 20 seconds. When you hold him, that's started back.
Go back on night. Start back over. Just take it back over. You come on the corner. Just hold it up.
You know matter, just one.
Come on the corner. Don't make no mistake. Don't make no mistake. One.
Yeah, better start back for
No, go back. No mistake. Don't make no mistake. One chop. Come.
Right.
You know we are there. We never tell her to do again.
And if you send out my mother, grab me and check.
Remember the whole thing is, you know, if I find out run for you, and him die now. You never say it
Right,
one
yes,
time,
sir.
take a time, say, come run for him now. Okay, I look for your man.
Hold on. Let's find out.
So, let me tell you, I tell you my story. Let me tell you, we cut. No cut no time. No take no break. No look for a number, the 2 yards. Stop.
If you feel like you look in there, Richie, no cut. Yeah, nice straight. So you know which direction you are looking. But sometimes I like it to look by or not look by you.
Wipe off your lens. Wipe off your lens.
No cut here, here, Spoony.
Don't stop record, just record. Subscribe.
Big up yourself in general.
Subscribe. Blow. What more say? So what you want to name in that movie? I must say blow. So blow, no. Blow.
Come on, ready? Yeah. Ready? One, you have big man. No laugh. Big boy.
Me tell you, hold on. The van there pass.
You pass.
Like your money, boy.
Ready now, action.
Big boy. Come on, man. We are running, boy. Come on, man. Come. We are running, boy.
Blow. Relax the blow.
When we come back now, you know, I will tell me to see a panel down here. Eh? Which Kira? Hey, boy, know what you do, you know, boy. Know what you do. They come back now, you know. I what? Eh? Me don't look good. You don't see me bleach out. Me black when me left here, you know. They come back for you now. So try to let the girl say left. And me mash up for you in the face. You know what I say? And yo, you know where me live? Don't make me come look for you. You see next time? Man, hey, know what you do. You hear me?
Relax the blow.
Don't ball to me, man. Yo, there's know what you do. You hear me say? A flank can come from, you know? You're a bad girl. No rampant man. Yeah. Yeah, so try run with the girl then.
Yeah, dog, we don't have to dry out too much. So,
I'm here now. No, so you look at me. Hug me up. Hug me back, come on. Hug me back, come on. You're walking with you.
I hold on and sing.
Yeah. Come on.
Alright.
I'm send me a shop. Yo, you're coming here. No, later go for me.
Yo. I'm here there now, you know. So you and that the girl ain't no more relationship. I'm here there. Yo, come on. Come on, don't yard with it. Come on, boy, come on. Don't yard with it.
I shop there, but mommy sent me a shop.
Come on, boy. Come on, don't yard.
I'm smart. I'll tell you, the guy see you. Come back. We're walking now. You see, I'm one name people around the jungle, man. Yeah, that one, but true, everybody let me have to shoot it close. Come back.
Stop walking upon them, man. We're tired for your cut and
Come on, people are going to walk. I say go.
Stay behind the camera, just stand behind the camera.
That's true, though, with it. No, brother, if you know so, me a show, brother.
Go.
Tired, I cut the moment.
Come on, I'll tell you foolishness, boy. Come again.
Come on.
See, they will have momentum, God.
Come again.
Now if you turn back the camera here.
Go down someone. Hold on.
Then now, if you pull him in now. After the command.
Come on, boy. Don't yard. Come on.
Stop there, sir. No, stop, sir. You go outside. You're chicken now. Chicken move. You have a chicken now. One peepee. Blah, blah. I'm piss by you now. I'm going to go here. You can't go my yard. You have to come back over here, sir. You're using friend of mine, sir, now.
Who that?
Papai. Chucky.
Chucky.
Yeah.
Go call Chucky.
You go call Chucky.
I don't know Chucky.
Come on, move. Come on, outside.
Make him go first. Make him go my yard first. When you go my yard first, you know, go.
Everybody come now here. Where's the way to look yours?
After you run go my yard, I know. After that, no. Papai go over there, link him. That's the one going.
So what? She'll actually call up Papai.
No, she go down there, a bleach pan him. And the Papai walk past over there. And he say, now come out for your idea. So then Papai come back home and come and say, come back over here. Now go here to sun tie, then we play there. But then come on with someone who attends to you. Mama, I will Papai now and say, yo. So the boy. Yeah, but that's sometimes I work you know. Boy, call us and come here and say, you want to. Yes, sir, it's bad Papai. Say, bad thing now you bad Papai. Yeah, say, no, me. Blow. I touch my bro now, you know. Him, Papa remember him now. So blow. Let's beat the ball the time we go to school and take a blood to the and say, where here? We think that cops. Come back. So we want to know, you are a big boy. So if you're a big boy, are you know?
Come back.
If you want me, if you're there, we can't allow big boy alone me there, you know, because just one man.
No, man, you get big boy.
You know, you get big boy, go for big boy, please. Now,
Tony, we have it there. And he said, no, just keep it coming from wherever we are going to say you can't roll it. No, it's rolling now.
Behind the scenes, yeah?
Yeah, you can't roll it.
Oh, you can't do so behind the scenes, but you see what I'm
I know. When you be dry, like 3 days, I won't tell us that you're happy and get there.
I'm going to make him one.
how much you for? How much you for? Huh?
Come on. Come on. Come on, don't be out there. Go on and come on, you're repairing a boy. So allow me out to start with.
Alright, that's something there.
All up on people.
Don't move on, don't move. No, man, come back. Come on, look at you. Sorry, come back to that board. Go back same place. Go. Come on. Subscribe to people, so I worship.
Bye-bye.
Hurry up. Now wait for you, boy. So long we talk about wait for you. So long. All the people, boy. I just want to try.
Come on, run off and here we are.
I'm run off and
Don't run off. To the right, just. I see you now.
Hey, boy, that boy, big boy.
Yeah.
And Carlos, Chucky. I know, Chucky have to come at the same time. Chucky!
Just hope you show.
One Papaya come at the same time.
Papaya.
Papaya, we are the swap. Alright, my laptop online. As you then dirty.
Oh, let me phone this time. I get my one is the one that comes there. Okay, Karen, check on how much you got on phone for a phone now? Not iPhone man. No, my phone. Like Samsung.
I must round this aside and Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar, come here.
What I say, Wagwan General.
Oscar,
Yeah.
why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from your workplace. I want to go on up there. What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes not to like tell Mama certain things, you know, because Mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But so me get fire, but me not get no fire, you know. See it? I said big that I go on up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you pray. Go on up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see little catty when I walk around with a little broad, short catty.
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now you're a catty where you're not coming on the other day.
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, he must show me a prayer. What happened to him up at the hotel? I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that go on up there. And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire. You see them boss boy. And them something they really go on with up there.
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you know. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole heap of liquor carry go bring come.
Ja, I no plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because you what. I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. Me have one little thing up a yard for deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what me take me get down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you see any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my place, from my day, I realize say, I be a night chief for my give me and night time I go in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look for me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello?
General, what boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone, and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop around for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridge in there one day, me I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem, and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what's going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brethren, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody, but more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, you must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him, woman.
Rape. What you say to me? So you no report it?
No, man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me? That's how I call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of. You see me? If we take her money, if she can take her money off him or cool that down her.
No, man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. He told them go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know if you know because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah, man, that man is heavy, man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah, man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah, man. Give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. No worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And me I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on me. And then he will start tear off my clothes. Alright, me.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to want to believe. Because they're going to want to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then yet. Or say no to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah, man.
There's a no movement.
No movement.
Tiffy, come out as a man, make the people and see.
What's the
Yeah, for the life.
Zaza. So you say I go on today? Popeye?
Well, I'm not from
How the TV gone? I'll chat to Popeye. Popeye?
Yeah.
I go on to the bakery.
Well, it's going good. I just need a couple more foreign orders.
Hold on a minute. Couple more foreign order.
Yeah, for Christmas. Fruit cake for Christmas, you know, guys, definitely.
I don't know nothing about that.
You know, business have to come good. And when business thrives, that's where it's gonna be good.
Yeah, my birthday I come from one a dozen pork covered or more.
How many your birthday?
January.
Good God.
How much?
4th of January.
Oh yeah, Capricorn.
Yeah.
Well, I have two.
I hope Mr. Brown rich.
Phone just the punch out. This I can go on mine?
Oh, you sleep with nobody, man. You can't say morning.
Oh man, you know, you like long time. Brother, I'm midday now, brother.
Okay.
You just say go on now, man. You have to say, man.
So we are shoot today, Alton.
Alright, I want your name. Who need enemies?
Who need enemies? Watch him.
Yes, we out.
You know, so me I shoot, I'll get me your pink.
What inspired that movie?
So, I don't know.
Why be a soft off though?
Who need enemies?
The topic sound poetic. Or the title, I mean. Who needs enemies? Nobody.
Who need enemies when you have a friend like these? That's the basic.
Okay.
You know,
So I like a popcorn, that's it.
yeah.
Who needs enemies? Friends like these, who needs enemies?
Friends like these, who need enemies?
That's split now.
Big two now?
Just because of how awesome it looks when it's done correctly. Now, if I was to put a name on this masking effect, it would be called the 2.5D masking effect.
Can I get spliff too? I say Alton I beg, so I beg too.
You still can cut it?
I joke people, no split. Joke man. Machine now start, general.
You want a jump start?
Tiffy! A Tiffy are actually people.
Let's give me a piece of it.
No. No, Mike, when I get ready.
No?
Yeah, stop now.
You get ready. Why you so dishonest? To judge like God. I love that car. Anyways, thanks. Thank you. So, I wait. I go and wait.
Ricky.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some water. Can't live without water. Can't live without water no matter what. You might survive with food, but can't live without water.
What Tiffy there? I say you try to shoot me, I shoot him. You're the toughest thing.
Hold the camera.
I saw an angel. I can't hold the camera.
Where's it? Where's it?
I see an angel
Where?
in heaven.
Where?
Oh, did God send you down here? Did God send you down here?
Yeah.
Oh, so if you am recording driving, me a papi show? Hold the camera. Hold on, man.
Where's it now, Karen?
Come on.
I drive with them. Hold on, I'm going on the next side.
I wanna come.
Alright, take this side. Sorry.
There's the fun.
Alright, so we're to Alton.
Yeah, go. Yo!
Watch his soldier.
Yeah, got Duns River.
Tiffy! Hold on there, Tiffy, come here.
Catch these, gas, man.
Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah, man.
There's a no movement.
No movements.
Come here, go ahead. What I shop front there, right?
Yeah. Papa, you can drive.
So,
Because of stupid question.
early morning settings, no shooting, no start. But you know, I go and get some of the call it behind the scene or a vlog. We're just call it a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on no start, perfect timing.
Hey.
So, how has the experience been so far, Si?
It's been good.
It's been good? Wonderful.
You know Si's from Brooklyn, right?
From who?
I'm not from Brooklyn.
From Brooklyn.
I'm not from Brooklyn, but we
Our
repping the
voice is
gang.
from Brooklyn.
Repping the, yeah, my voice from Brooklyn. Out here, it's nobody.
If the
Gotta bang bang.
do the get. Yeah, she give me that rap kind of vibe that people.
Yeah, water.
Out here.
You don't see people in the lock up bag.
So you're gonna be a star there, I'm telling you.
Come.
Now camera can point over there so today.
So yeah.
Find over there.
At this fight. We're at this fight.
I'm not getting out. Stay right here.
Just came for the drive out.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Well, I guess we can have one conversation. Tell me more about yourself. Come on.
I don't know what you
More
want to
about
know.
yourself. Tell us about high school.
My life public, but I'm real private. High school, I'm not gonna lie. The first year was rough. It's always rough in the first year.
Like what high school was it?
Queens.
Where
School for girls.
where is that?
10 Central Avenue.
That's Jamaica?
Yeah.
Queens High School. What parish is that?
St. Andrew.
Oh, cool. I'm not familiar, but continue.
Yeah. It's an all girls school. It's fine. They're cool. Yeah, first year was rough. It's always rough in the first year. Second year, I started making friends and stuff or whatever, but I was a little troublemaker. I'm not gonna lie, because I had shit going on at home. I was a little rebellious, you know. But I was always disciplined in my classes. Like
What kind of trouble you give? You don't have one face that look like it give trouble.
I mean, yeah, but people gave me trouble because I was so cute, you know. So it was hard. It was hard to make friends, genuine friends and stuff. So people used to try and get under my skin a lot. I only got into like 2 fights, though, 2 or 3 fights.
And you won, right?
Been to jail.
Yeah. That bitch ass. That bitch ass.
Jaja, driver Alton, taking us back around to Jamaica City. Being bleach out head.
Yeah, no car. Anybody wanna sponsor a new car?
What you think? You think YouTube that powerful? You can get one car, somebody donate one car?
Hell yeah, some new ones.
People.
One Tesla? You can donate one Tesla? Alton, what did you see?
What boy?
Oi!
Good boy. Boy.
Big up,
boy.
big up yourself.
Browning.
I don't let the people them data alone.
Same.
So, if time hot people, that's why I'm going to sweat down the place. You just drive, go buy one bucket of water and come back. Them drive, go buy one bucket of water. We just haggle on. Papa, you hold your screen out of focus, brother.
What's that now?
Stretch it back. I'm going to just screw
It's on
it.
autofocus. Just press the button.
So really starting bike couldn't start?
Push him man for push and jump. I man just ain't fat you know man, just jump.
Reach back at Jamaica City. Bunny down.
One now man.
Hold on then, I'll lock me in close to you all. I want have space. Thank you, sir.
Yes people, we're in Jamaica.
Oh, people, remember to go subscribe to the movie channel. Oh, as I was saying, remember to go subscribe to the movie channel, Lux. So, let me put a link in the description. And if you're first time over here, please subscribe. Clueless, I wonder, say, what the hell is going on? My name is Ackeen. I'm a video editor, cinematographer, and a whole heap of things. Check out previous videos to know what is going on. Keep up to speed. Why are you looking at me so weird?
Come on.
You can freestyle? Have anything written down, rap? You can freestyle for?
We know if we start, because we know you're not going to use keys.
Can both freestyle and written down at the same time.
Anytime people put me on the spot like that, like a bunch of songs come in my head one time, it jumbles me all up. But, alright.
Give me a acapella.
No, shall I bust the place, man?
I pop my shit, I got rich quick, I pull that trigger, that bullet gon' hit. Niggas said they want smoke, but they really wanted bricks. Now they look at me amazed like they ain't know what it is. Through the rain, wind, snow, anywhere they get the bread up. I can't trust the soul, just to be in my Loretta. Turn my back on my little system, ain't know that I can never have these dudes out here really be moving like some heifer. So I sit your game, my love, stack the best like do the hef. No, we don't need nobody, we can't take no stories. Girl was fine, I told her meet me right there in the lobby. And we might get strikes, so I can't go too far.
Alright. We might get strike to true.
Your time. It's a rap battle.
Sure.
She remind me of 8 Mile a while ago.
8 Mile, who name for?
The movie, dog.
A movie named 8 Mile.
You want to fill him in?
Yeah, I'm enough.
I'm not really
Oh, man.
I don't really watch movies like that. But
Thanks to all the people growing up.
side.
Always trying to know a little about everything so you can interact with all sorts of different people.
She's a
Yeah.
rapper. So give me a rapping again. My name is Alton. I'm from Jamaica. And I'm a rapper.
Oh, can do that too.
Lyrics.
So I go on and so.
Why is that there? Alright. You will go one and now. It's a fast thing here again now. You get some call from one man. You got to call them to somebody. Somebody dead we call today. What we all do?
TV. Where get them shoes from too?
Everything.
Almost look like a combat shoes them.
Military personnel.
Yeah man, Paradise Nation, boy I've been lazy all along. Boy see me come back and work and
Yep.
don't get no content, you know what I mean? But put up a top feeling, you know what I mean?
Yeah, real good.
So when we fans can talk, man, maybe there's something you guys want to see, but you know so no one can
Woogie, woogie.
That's every time people look on a brother, remember the movie.
Yo, TV, man, I help him start. Take a minute.
Which movie? Which movie?
Lockdown,
Oh,
part 2.
okay.
If you not watch it, I tell you, it's a laugh one over there.
Nah, boss. Watch Alton. Shoot me shooting you. This is weird.
Come on, I'll take you to good man. One of the best.
I mean, Alton got show.
Yeah. She's a chef this day. This thing is well over.
The music. Remember, say your mic can read the music clear. Selfish humans.
No, look at the music, I expect it.
Yeah, look a bit. Little bit.
There's no experience like that, there's any problem with the accent.
So, yeah, people, definitely stick around. Kinda slow pace. Yeah. But stick around. I catch them and I'm going to film everything. Okay, my general. Alright. So yeah, people, I just realized that the whole thing did blown out just before I'm point upon them realize that the setting is for change. So as I say, slow pace in the morning, but stick around. We'll catch the whole filming behind the scenes as we usually do. Oh, bro, you can't ride bike, man. Man, lick you down, you know. So, man, you up on bike. Never see you ride a bike yet. Cha. No, star. Well, no, not about bike still, you know. No, not about bike. I left them up by something, I ain't going to deal with them, I deal with.
Let me start the bike.
Look like they're shooting out for stars now.
What you want now? Me a beat up a soldier down. I know soldier not supposed to beat me up.
Is it fire? Drum. Want to light the place and now. If you don't like the place and now, they want to light the place and now. Just in case.
Some of them want only in a Richard don't speak.
Music are playing there, so I'm not going to. I'm try to demonetize it. So we just go and stay out there, so. Look like it's going to rain as well. So it look like the planning process and the freestyling start now. So, you know me? Write down stuff. How it start? And this man a real bike man, man.
Mega, you couldn't budge. Couldn't budge your ass. Come on, me on the bike.
want Papa there, car. You know how long I want punchy. I don't know how many minutes. Where Papa there? Hey, boy, Papa. Hey, one Papa. Him some of them. You know?
Okay.
Alright.
Papa, you get nervous, you know? Papa, you get nervous all like you see him doing it.
No, cha. You remember Papa and Olive and Brutus? Yeah, this story.
You say just name up some spinach and like that.
I only put on back then.
I think someone should set you up, so you can go here, you call the police, call the soldier for you. Say you murder. I must believe them because they murder some people around here. You know what I mean? As a soldier come now, you know the soldier come in Giggle, so you're welfare. And take off good now. As a group, as you have any hands, some police come and find your soldier.
Oh, yeah.
They don't survive the door. Because they get the shot, they run after the soldier. And survive, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you're not really know someone set you up smart, you know.
No, man, I understand.
Your officer just give you full.
No, man, I understand, yeah.
Yeah.
You go give me some, now, give me
What is that for me? I want to fish
when the boy shoot you, you know, but it's very hard, you know. You don't want to tell them say dead, you know. One long, they will do my shot 10. You understand?
Pick up yourself.
So it can't work.
Alright, where we are going to start the scene? Yeah, shot.
Where do you live?
Huh? Where do you live? I'm not about that bad live. The girl come over them. We have a house over there so we can't use sets. We get the girl. So you're not got the yard. They can't get anyway. For that senior. The senior plus they want people they can't grow on can. You know, no matter what part they there. You right as they can, you know they can.
Alright, Papa. Ready to present. Come in, Papa.
And I guess that's how they do it. So discuss, then shoot. Remember, you know, subscribe to the Lux channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. Yeah. Say I shoot till you can do?
Yeah.
Oh. TV! TV! She's beautiful, ain't she? How TV there? Everybody going up saying the prop them. No, what's up, man, what's them? The one that near Worcester. So the whole planning, preparing, everything I happen right, the shooting, everything I happen right now. And I hit to a catch. So I wait for the soldier, I'm more power with the soldier for go up. I mean big old Rambo knife.
You can't talk to people them.
Yeah, but hide that knife that door, because YouTube no like seeing something now.
Yes, sir.
Hide the knife.
Oh, the knife.
Yeah, they don't like see it, YouTube don't like seeing something.
Here what going on now. At first me I talk to you know. Here what? Alright, get to Ackeen too. How much followers you have on YouTube now?
Boy, 8,000.
8,000.
I tell them, so Senegal 100,000. Or 1 million.
Here Ackeen go 15,000. I'm going to work anything you want me do. Me do it for now.
Oh yeah,
wicked
say.
action.
Wanna hear
Just
that?
Get him to 20,000.
You know,
you have to worth it.
Hear that? Wanna hear that? So if you're your first time over here, so you know, make sure you click subscribe and make we know in the comments say this brother and make you subscribe because you have one request for him.
20,000. Anything you know say me fi do, hit me I go do.
Alright,
just say the word. 20,000
alright, my boss.
subscribers. Get him right there, right now.
Suppose they want 50 push up.
Anything what they want to not get it. Anything what they want to not get it.
Alright, my general. Are you me a power with still no? Now I go up and move the city there.
Yeah man, Ackeen, when you go over Ackeen, make sure you say no subscribe, you know. No do it so you can get any action you want. Any ideas, anything you want to do. If you want to eat lizard, survival.
Hold on there, we don't make you do that TV.
No, a survival. No, how a soldier fi do for survive, you know.
Well.
How a soldier fi do for survive, fi stay alive, you understand? Anything you want me do it for you.
Alright, my general.
Just say the word, get him to 20,000 subscribe.
Here, 20,000. But I said 20,000.
You have to worth it, you know.
Alright.
It have to worth it.
Alright, my general. Oh, then start 2:30.
You see it, I'm saying I come give one buzz for the corner. So I go on the corner.
No, man, no, for the corner, man. No, say.
Now listen, man. Come, take to the
Keisha.
No, what is topic? You might have bridging.
Yeah,
I got best bed from school days, daddy. One daddy.
Yeah,
you're about Keisha there.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
I say about Keisha. No, man, I'm a friend, man. So you're your friend. I have a woman a friend to you. Nobody can touch her and daddy.
You know, so I will murderer.
Yeah, man.
So, come across.
Yeah, man.
Murderer.
You're good though, come here, you're virgin and daddy.
Keisha, even things that you get when I'm dreaming dead.
So, you're good though. You know that? Yo.
Step back here.
No, I leave it, man.
Give me gun afterwards. There's gun there. Give me gun. Yeah, hold this and come and walk on the road because the face of my watch me.
Wow, my friend. Wow, my friend. For school days, me a friend.
I go and hold it, man. You know, I go and hold emotion. I don't know.
So, yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
So, Keisha good.
Yeah, man, down for the base, I go and hold the block, you know.
I know, say, I have to take off, you know.
Yeah, man, down for the base. Yeah, man, down for the base, I hold the block, you know.
Yeah, I like that still, because I like to see eyes.
Yes, I know. You're bad, I know. You got me house. What's your man? Give me some rum there. Who have rum? Give me some rum. Watch out, look for me house.
Alright.
What kind of bum?
Yeah, watch out now. Watch out with that. We can shoot that part now.
Disturb you, like, how you did that? Oh, sure.
Keisha down on the block or what?
You mean vibes, yes?
You just sound like
Yeah, man, Keisha down on the block or what?
Nice.
Yeah, man, Keisha down on the block or what? Yeah. Nice control.
Ready?
Yeah, man, Keisha down on the block or what? All the vibes, you know? I'm going on the block, you know?
But anyway, still, I'm glad you come check me still because... Anyway, still, I'm glad you come check me still because I want to commission and want to do it. But you want to now we don't on the road, so I'll be the police that don't on the road, so more lock off this thing. Just hold it. Just put it down.
No, but you want me to put in my vibes, yeah?
President, you move, man. Now you cut.
Put up here.
Anyway, yeah, I'm be a police that don't on the road. And yeah, I'm going down on the road. I'm going to walk here, so you lock off with me.
Yo, I'm going to come up on them ends that day after that.
You can't move, man.
Alright, yo, it's because of you.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to hold on, Tony. Yes, sir. That's the first thing I do. When I reach back.
That was
first thing. When I reach back.
You ain't moving, man. Just shoot, man. Oh, man, I don't know, man. I'm not fucking hurt, man. Don't cut the lead. Me tell me I'm dirty, man. Yeah, but tell me how to do that. Do that. Continue.
Give up it. Give up it.
You gonna come in for your gun pass. Go on, talk again.
Ready?
Yeah. I'll be a police that don't follow us. Yeah. So I am going to get the gun.
Yeah, but here you go.
You ready now?
Yeah.
You call him back and me I shoot him because they are checking him back.
Alright. Alright. Go tell her when. Yo, no gear something to lock off. I'll be a police that don't follow the road. So yeah, hold it, you know.
Oh, you never come on them vibes still in a papa.
Listen to me. Who name sir? A Ringo me name.
Alright, Ringo. Yo, I never...
Wait. When are you gram? You have to take it gun.
You don't take it gun, you know? Yeah. You can't make it gun just jog out time hands.
No, man.
You don't take it gun. No. You can't do like a scene like you say.
No, before I got the gun pass.
You can't just take out the gun. You sense like that.
One, this man a short shooter first. You know what I mean?
Yo, go and show you that, sir.
Alright, yo, I'm going to do it like that. I'm not going to do no talking there.
You think you're going to take it?
Yeah, but I'll take it, but you stupid man just take something
no, that bad man you're going to want it.
That's a bad man.
Alright, so, you walk from this and come on.
Oh, yeah, we're a friend. Yeah, a friend, but you are something. Yeah, like I say, we don't come find that. Yeah.
No nice.
That's what I say.
No nice. Ready.
Over here. What go and Ringo? Alright, bro. You alright, man? We're not dealing with
everything good.
Yeah, man, everything's solid, daddy.
You sure, man?
Yeah, man, everything good.
I don't have no problem with what I say, brother. I'm careful. You alright? No good, sir, alright?
Everything go bad, man.
Alright, I'm soon going to link you up in the middle of the sir.
Alright.
I'll call me when I'm ready.
Yeah, my brother.
Alright.
Alright, yo, I'll just take you properly.
So right now, when my child get going, when I get, what question is the name?
And that's why I draw back and I say, I didn't come for this, but you want this because you're my virgin, so I'm going to take you going.
No, man. No, you're going to say that. You're going to say, you're going to give man who's lucky. No, man. The man that you're happy, no, man. The man that you're
yeah, right. Yeah, that's why that's it.
So when you talk again and you walk come back in.
Brand large.
You know what I say? Is she in the say? No. I don't say already.
No, man. I want to catch him in the shop. Go on.
And chop one set.
Yeah. Bring me up now.
No, stop recording. You're recording one.
Alright, so I'm running back in our
No, man.
Stop recording, man.
Alright, sir. Alright, where did I go? Yeah.
Alright, no nice, please.
So you go down.
So I want.
You know me there? I'm going to hold off.
You know, tell me I have bridging for a long time, from school days.
Yeah, man, I know that, man. I talk about, man.
So I want to Keisha then.
You know, Keisha up a yard, I'm going with the block.
Yeah, man.
I look solid, see him, you don't know.
You know, she has to go see him.
Yeah.
Nice, pretty girl, that young man. But anyway, still. Well, everything
Alright, bro, we're not dealing with.
I know I'm going with the vibes, see him.
Everything bless up, man.
Yeah, man, everything blessed, man.
Alright, only on that.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah, my general.
So you know.
Yeah.
I'll be a police down on the road.
We shot down there.
You don't even know, but we have to get this lock off for me to come.
So you want me could give boss one back the gun, man. The lock off like one now.
You don't know this man. Him chicken happy. Him kill all the baby.
Oh, yeah, me forgot. You want me go on hold on for it, but you see when you come back, make sure you come link me and get it back for me.
Just the move
sir.
right there. So right there, somebody come back.
Alright, brother.
The whole half black for me.
I go and burn a flash and I knew right. Same time.
Burn the flash. I lost the eye. Burn it, man. Burn it.
Alright, what camera now? Is someone go walk and say, oh,
Light up.
I thought Ringo there. Ringo guys over can circle back, man. You know what I mean? So, you introduce yourself in the animal already. That's how we are dealing. Yeah, this, that. Then you take us.
Alright. So, come back, Papa, come back.
Well, I fast is with him, so yo.
Next man.
Yeah.
Two toes, me go back in.
Yeah, go back.
The police them come in.
Yeah.
Let's go
Yeah, as you come back out there, like, pop, pop. You know the soldier come.
Can I put up on my camera, miss? Can I put up on my camera? Come talk to you a little bit. Enough people, so I like socialize with people. You know, just chat, get to know people. Never do that. I like do that. No. Why? You know you need friends in this world? Morning. Morning. What's your name? My name is Ackeen.
My name is Tamisia.
Tavisia? Tamisia? You're from around here?
Yes.
I first met you. You don't really come on, don't you?
Yeah.
I first met you, I swear to God. Somebody gonna come give you a piece of movie. You have movie eyes. I can watch a video later and you hear them tell how your eyes are pretty. Your eyes are pretty for true. Are your friend that nice shop?
My mother.
Mommy? Yeah. Let me see if you should get them. No, you should get the eyes them from I say that the eye don't look like yours?
Look for the eye them when I see.
But I don't know your daddy has me I tell you first, me I see.
Daddy.
Oh, the brown man over there, sir?
The Rasta.
Nah, pretty eyes them. Alright people, so as you can see, shooting, filming are going over Jammerwood City, all of the things them are going. And I remind you again, if you make it this far, subscribe if you not subscribe yet. My analytics are showing me say, only pound I watch the video and not subscribe. Nah, take nothing out of you. Click subscribe, you understand? Enable me for, you know, put some full-length movies over there and looks. I mean, I learn a whole heap from the behind the scenes, them, how them plan them movies. You know, them still learn from other people's mistakes. So, some little things where you say you could have correct, you make note of it, and do all the good stuff. So, I'm really excited to get this project that I have completed so I can show you. I want it to be me learning from, you know, this space. Peter McKinnon, as me always tell you, everything I know about Premiere Pro, video editing, Peter McKinnon. So definitely subscribe to Lux channel, subscribe to this channel, check out previous videos for entertaining content, more behind the scenes, do all of the good things them. We shall see each other soon.
Jano, mama, if you do give me that your body, now give me a nice buzz, you know. You know, no more weed. You don't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed, them. Last week, I give you weed. Yesterday, I give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock, I give you weed. And just a while ago, I give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Nah laughing no bad man. Acha.
keep it changed to you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Cougar. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on where?
There in a car park. Oh yeah, I have everything you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out, can tell you one, you see, it's one youth, you see man. Me I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see me going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you're going to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. First, I really come up short. I open on that red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open on that red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? You're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And he was a good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea. Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know how so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. So right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know, you see me? You big up yourself here, man. You short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. You till you get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers what pay me. Customers but take out the money set time when me take out the weed set time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, what the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out of it for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you, what the past. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never know. Say selling weed is a career either, but it's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life not affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to just smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. I think they go short, you know. Yeah, man, because watch out now, the little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man. I tell you, she good, man. Hear me I say no Peter, man. She good. When I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she a run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, ma'am, but you do owe a loan and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you so still, you know. If people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain myself.
Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director.
She's shy, but listen, nothing wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my general.
The director is doing his work. Understand?
Yo, look on the yard the way I get. Look on the yard the way I get.
I've been done.
So, when I tell no lie upon you, are you see the people, are she do it.
I'm not telling no lie. Swear.
I don't know what
subscribe to my channel.
Okay. Tell them again.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nicecon, Niceconn. That is my YouTube channel. Also, I'm an acrobat.
Oh, blur nuts. I do that for your channel, not true?
Yeah.
Alright, people, don't hear that, so.
Can I go over there?
I don't know, so yo. Hold on there. I don't know, so I can't go over there, go check out. I can't manage it. I don't have it hard, my boss. Because anytime somebody feel like they go drop on the neck and things, so. But definitely go over there, go check out the channel, people. And this time, I tell you, no. Well, I don't know where I go. I want to do the long movie then. Soon get some long movie. In the meantime, big up on yourself, like the video, and make it this far, definitely like, and subscribe for your first time. Until then, we soon up, little more.
Yeah, turn up and watch me. They'll come up to it. You understand? Where will they have you? Where will you? You understand? Where will they close up to me and not want to bring this place can come through. Want to show you that. I'm going to step back. I'll just step back and step in back again. No matter what, just come on, just do this fast. One take. Ready? Go outside. Then can't put your knife. Nice. Good.
Come here.
You're the yes, I'm here, gamble.
Oh.
No man, I mean she was again. Yeah. You can go and intervene now when I do skill and say this and say that and whatever. You don't know say you're right. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm a cheerleader like. Yeah!
Yeah, mama, no.
Same thing. Yeah, cook stay up on the pot, you know, and fish cook up, you know. What do you know? But take a paper when you eat, you know, but no, you know, don't pan away, you know, so. What kind of chef are we?
Pop boy.
Ready now, let's go.
Subscribe!
Stop your way up here. Stop your way up here. What time? Stop here.
How I play?
Where money? Put your money on the board. Put on your money.
Yeah. Yeah. We get on. Hold on.
Ready? Go. Ready? Ready now?
All right. 7. You see that jacket that what woman is on with it?
See if we can
Yes.
clean off the lens a little bit. Can get a little more clarity.
She like it. I'll give you one.
Oh, that are them bullet burn. Bullet. See?
Ready now, let's go.
Mama, you know what you can give you feeling. You don't want win here and square. You don't want to say. You don't want win. You can't win to get someone. That's it.
Make a walk around. Go back. It's a football. Shorty. Alright. We made it. Boss, reach. Look up yourself.
Over that road there, sir.
We're going to throw the dice, I know we all blow it. Yeah, pop on the motion and they can't look on space. But you know, they tell me weird and Take it. I fix up on his shirt. Our shirt, yeah. I know how you ready to come now? Yeah, man. Yes. They want to say, come ready.
I'm famous roast of that people.
Ready?
You look your name for that stop pushing your ears. Let me clean out your ears. There's something. You have a big thing. Let me clean out your ears. The time so soon come back, run go be sitting around there with a piece of bread and you have feed him and some water. You don't give no break.
Come, ready, do this fast. Ready, come there. Out of the way. Come, quick and fast. Ready. Go on. Yeah.
How I go on?
Rasta run and correct. See? First day right away.
At least a Rasta man now I can't look for him. Eh? I don't see that man now with that.
One flower, you know what I mean? Alright, now go in and curry.
Curry what?
Go in there, man.
Curry what?
Curry vegetable.
Curry vegetable, okay.
Oh, yes, that's
this part is uncut, you know what I mean? I ever see on the net. A lawsuit for you. Step away.
You're not bad, keep it cool.
Don't play it, no man.
Yes, I didn't buy the dumpling brown one.
Alright, come now, on the road. Come on the road now.
Start jumping in the back.
Go. No, don't follow. Go, ready now.
See bully brand there, people.
Ready? On the road there now. Is that time I know? One,
I know what I know.
Wait, take my hand. One take my gas to go from here. Come on, hide out from the shop. You want hide out of yard. You know what I mean? What are you trying to do? Come on, that hide. You know what I mean? More like hide from out of yard. By the time, you know, when you're small and you're going to the corner, so when they're fire, yo, good! What do you mean like that? Fire! Fire! I'm going to the corner, you can't run past the gun, so. When you go past the gun, so. I'm going to try and shoot from one person and so like. You can't be somebody.
Yeah. Right, over here. Wait for ketchup and curry. Yeah, you guys.
We are recording.
No, see, you know good food, no.
Never see nobody daily.
But the camera
cook, but it's too
Take and put in there one time.
I never said that yet. Not live. Curry and tomato and ketchup.
No,
we're trying not to put it on fire. Where would not curry?
Is it curry? Certain things are going on curry. You don't put it in there, but you can't.
You can't go in there.
No, man, I'm not going to anything can be
Ready? No, we go hide you.
You go hide me, you go on the road.
Yeah, come, my house. Yeah, burn it. Come, take up on the road.
You have to hide me, man, I miss the suck up and something.
Some people are burning.
Eh? That's why I started. Certain things that taste good curry are waste of time.
Ready, yes, sir.
Come now,
Yes,
yeah. Come now, yeah. One, go over someone.
Here.
Remember, say. When Rasta walk, so when you walk, when you like that, come with you.
Salute them now. Big up yourself, Papa.
Yeah, I'll tell you go.
General Papa.
Alright.
Ready?
Now wait. Good glass.
Take up the glass.
Glass cup.
The glass is the wine glass.
Oh, wine glass.
Go back around and secure, guys.
Just step on the door.
There, so I couldn't catch you. Go back around. Try to get free of fault, you can't one for you. I want it. That one they asking us something on our smart.
I got bill on foot game.
Curious, Papa, I got bill on foot game.
Yeah, Papa. Bill on foot FIFA.
Prosthetic, like.
Yeah.
Come on, sir.
But make sure you put cushion in it, you know, so you don't please him.
Come on, sir.
Hey, watch Curious. Yeah, watch Curious around for the foul.
Yeah, foot, but you don't want to clap.
No, two.
No, two, God. Look, see that. I say any fool will be wicked.
Ready now?
I can't do lighting too, you know. If you don't light us up first and then catch a walk for type here. Alright, right now, Curious. No, come back, man. If you like, when you go back, you say, I'll fix your face. Wait for me.
You remember my line, man? Just say that you know, come out tonight. Ready now?
Ready. You cut her?
Ready now? Let's go! Come on, look on me, I go. Here.
Ready.
We coming there, go fix my face and come.
Go on, fix it now. Move it there.
Now, what am I curious? Because you like
Like it even extra bright out.
Watch it pouring.
Ready now?
You ready?
That's it.
Ready. Go in some more.
Ready?
Kind of cough that youth.
Ready.
What do you think you're arguing?
Look on that like here.
No. Look on the road. Let him go on the road.
Look on the road.
Just go on the road. Can you think them go around the corner there? So you go in the corner, and when you're done, you give them a look back and go around the corner. Just for them go around the corner. I'm going to walk up to I'm going to put my mind.
You want to pass here?
Go pass me, sir. Can I
How much I got? Like?
Because my taking this money gone here, hold up.
13.
Yeah.
Oh.
Go up to the house.
I think they said 30.
13.
So take a video.
When I tell you to come on, no man, take a man, you can't live this, you know, and that's what.
We're going to do that. Come on, bucket here. Come on, bucket this, man. Come on, bucket this up. Ready, let's go. Run on.
Go up here now, run on. Ready, and ready. Hey, look at Anna.
Good. Are you sure?
Next time, if you broke out from that, shoot you, shoot me. Ready? See me, I tell you, I'm slow. You want like 1 5. Young. Youngie. It's a boy I know Korea. Yeah. Is he plate? Clean. Much of the curry man. Brother, that's the boy in that plate right now. That's the boy in the blue. That's the boy in that plate. Nothing in it. Actually, what? Nobody show the people them say I should put. I know, nothing.
Alright, that's a good. That's a good girl. Turn up the sun now.
Here, should I fire the box alone?
No.
So wait, I'll keep me doing it.
After mother did it. Just here.
Ja, maar ga ask maar even in die tekje. Come on!
Yes, sir.
We cannot locate the music box.
The music box is where it is.
Don't bother tell no lie.
The good thing about it is it is where it is, and I
No,
we shall find it. What is it? What is it?
Need it.
Need it. Well, them say need it, but you know, I don't know where it is. You know what I mean? Wrong somebody.
Last time.
Wrong somebody. It was not I.
See what going on where, sir?
Tragedy. But I go find them there. I say things there. Just there's somewhere. Put up. You know?
Safe and secure. Alright, so I think I time for go shoot, come on. Hold on, I think young lady done shoot and now can go shoot.
Yeah, man, it's ready, man. One life to live.
Let's say you can one song again.
Eh?
You can one song push.
Yeah, man, it's
People are who that? Go find him. Owen. Hello.
Me single.
Match.
Me single. Me only my cigarette.
Pinky,
Me
may I play your cousin today?
single. Sister, me single.
I'm put it on
Put
speaker.
it on speaker.
No, man, stay there, sit down, man. They don't see me. I'm put it on speaker.
Oh, when they get invited, how this? Chevron.
So, may hang up on him, Kalma?
Chevron. What's your name? What's my name?
Chevron.
Chevron.
So, I say, how would this Chevron?
What one have teeth you know for twang? You try twang, come here.
Yeah.
So, Jesus Christ, so just reach a far and start twang. You ready, curious?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready. Alright, me tell her when ready. Hold on.
Ring up your phone.
No.
No.
Alright, ready now.
Hello.
No, you didn't have your phone in your ears.
Oh, me dear, my ears.
Yeah, ready now.
Hello.
Pinky.
Hello.
Where you going?
There, man, what happened?
There. You know what I say? When I was young, I tried to get the number. You know what I want to remember what I call them in Jamaica, and so I get the number. I try to reach out to you, man, because why? Are you with me there, so you know?
I see a word, man.
Are you busting for me get a meet a white woman and give up that, you know?
So, Jesus Christ, Siobhan, you reach a friend on a tongue already?
Yeah, man. boy, she won't live see. Hold on, you have to can't cut.
Blood clot.
Really? I hit me the one say all along.
You know twang
You
me.
not twang.
But then
I
you
even want
are
to you not twang
that good
TV.
man, that good, that can cut out.
Let me see Angel. Miss Angel.
How about tea for that?
Right side away, Angel, they're ramping up. And they look on me, so my name see me now. Come like home and say, look through this over there.
Hi, Cross.
Angel over there.
I be a thing you go on with now. And if stop video, you know, you be clear over there, that could still be so.
Yo, stay away there. Big boy, the people. So people don't remember for like the video them. So I can invest in my movie channel Lux.
For real, man.
Work, yeah, man, and you with me up the side, so you know, say I'm going to make a piece of money. You have to know a piece of wood from the thing away, see?
Yeah.
Hey, Father, no hold the line. Let me tell you, teacher.
You know some day I take it easy though. Lay down on the phone a while ago. I see her kind of say backside she gonna reach already. Alright. That morning.
Subscribe, people. Subscribe. Bang ball and bomb buckler. Me can't shoot that and beat people that chat. Papa, you don't know say I shoot.
Papa, it's nice.
Dog, we are trying to shoot and beat.
I don't know general. I think this is a camera I shoot with.
No, dog, we there. You don't know say where I shoot.
Alright, go on.
Alright, tell TV say, yo, just take it easy, man. Nobody say nothing to Lexi, you know, me we call her and make sure know what I'm going. And then do the conversation. Then, alright, look on me. You ready, TV?
Yeah.
Alright, tell him me just say, tell him.
Alright, yes,
Tell him me just say, yo, so nobody say nothing to Lexi, you know, man. If anything, we just short up, look on me. Tell him that.
Yo, so nobody tell me?
No, man. You tell him something. You said that.
Oh, that's me you say.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, where's the I go?
Yeah,
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yo.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, man. Nobody say nothing to Lexi, you know.
Oh, yeah, say man, you good man.
Yeah, man. Me dey on the road now. When me dey far, me go link you back later.
Alright, I see a word, Shaban. Big up yourself.
No, Tiffy.
Yeah.
When me want you to tell her, say nobody say nothing to Lexi, you will call her and make she know.
Make Lexi know. Oh, me understand.
No, me just call her a while ago. Listen to me, man.
Oh, tell him saying just call
Me
her.
just call her a while ago, man.
Alright, so yeah, so tell him
Just call her a while ago and she a cry, but she get over it though.
yeah, man, so yo, just tell her, say yo, if anything me sure to look more, can me just call Lexi to you know and make she know what I go on. So
She
did a ball.
Hang up like she a call her back.
Yeah, man, she did a ball. So yeah, me short back, cause she all try to call him back, you know.
Oh, me get you. Alright.
Okay, alright, me tell her. Wait till I buy the gun. And ready now.
You know what I'm saying? It just come off fire phone with Lexi a while ago. She had a ball and I go on the most way. Ja. Yeah, call me back here. Yo, me too call you back here.
Alright, I see a word.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright, so this I know, this a time I know. Who I call so?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
Who?
Evaluate taxi, something like that.
A Papa phone? Alright, so you evaluate taxi. Alright, so this a time I know you call Ackeen now.
I'm gonna say, yo, cuz, come here.
Yo, cuz, where you there? Yeah, man, more you calling me on the yard.
Right now. Come on.
You close come now?
Alright.
Yeah, close come.
You ready to call now? You want to call Ackeen?
I don't want me to pan. No, I'm not for the pan of phone.
You not for the pan of phone, come on.
Yeah, but you
I'm
can
looking
answer
over.
right just so. Answer right just and then me telephone voice.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Just give Ackeen space and can talk to me, can telephone voice, phone voice. Just pretend like you're calling me. Pretend like you just come off my phone. Get up, put back the phone again already. Jesus Christ.
Hotline.
Yeah, my general, me tell Papa if you shout you back because we are using the phone now and seeing a film. No, up on fire, we are using the phone and film. So, me tell him to call back in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Pretend I'm just come on my phone.
Yeah, set the phone, set the like it, set the way. I said, alright, look come on and dial the phone. Pretend like you dial Ackeen and then start talk. Action.
Alright, look more. Yo, cuz.
Oh, what? I'm there, you know. What going on?
I'm there, man. I can't go and give me one link right now.
Alright, may I come? Give me about 10 minutes. May I come right now? Give me about 10 minutes.
Alright.
Alright, good. Alright, Ackeen, so look at you, Ackeen. But more do one extra shot before you did start talking.
To
TV. So set like you did set before. Mankind heart have no love.
Alright, good. So, may I shoot now, so I have to put on the camera. Alright, just there. Right there, so. Getting a character. Forgetting a character that youth will always get put in a friend zone. Although I don't have no experience with that concern. I joke me, I make always in a friend zone.
Alright, put yourself in there.
Knock on the door?
No, yeah, make it try to establish shot with her first.
What are you going on with?
Don't care. Good. Alright, so she come off her phone. How much hand it? Yeah, make it just walk in.
Just walk in?
Yeah, make it wait, turn right. Go back for around the door and then walk. Ready?
Pinky! Oh. What go on, cuz?
Hold on, then we'll see them talk, you know. Plug out the mic. I think so we can grab 2 cameras next time and shoot it. You see? Oh, yeah, shoot it. I shoot this one. Early morning, late evening.
So go again, friend up?
Yeah, man, same thing, man.
I'm lucky door can knock on it down.
Yeah, man. Just knock on it and then come in, no matter if you know. Me tell you. Action. I'll try to keep it. Ready?
Thank you.
Oi, cuz.
What go on?
I don't move. Just say same thing. Sorry. You can come in and control right side of it. You don't set up to the other side or whatever. Alright, so step up. Come back side. But yeah, like you're knocking your arm coming. As soon as you come in, you see the person up there. Ready now, Ackeen.
Pinky!
Oi, cuz.
What go on, cuz?
There.
How do you sit in that side? I'll tell you, so 10 minutes. So what go on?
They reach fast though.
Where are you going?
I wanna know, Richie.
You remember how exactly I say? So what you basically are saying, say?
It does start out.
I must have that.
You might, you know, so me just.
Tell me that make sure you know someone Alexi for a long time.
Yeah. So you just are going to it and settings, you know, say. Me just come off my phone. No, me just come off my phone with Chevron.
Oh.
Yeah, and in their phone and everything good. So you plan work.
Okay.
You see me plan work. Yeah, and you plan work. So, and then I tell him, say,
Them back here sit here say, boy, me just hope say, this is where you make me get myself involved in. Me just hope say work out for you because you like see a friend
For 13, 14 years.
Yeah, and she never want you. And she never want you, so boy, I mean, I know if this is going to work out.
Maybe you wanted to do it a long time.
Yes, but boy, you must know about it. You have to just do what you have to do, but we'll work out for you. That's what I talk about, man. It don't work out for me, she's not a boyfriend.
Your best cause.
Yeah.
Best this.
Yeah, best, you know, because that's only you alone could pull off something like that. So, we just get into it and everybody.
Yeah.
I love cheap fans and all that.
I'm there for a bun up too.
I'm not burning that bun up if I'm just fool.
Ready
I
to
don't see
jump
be a
off?
side, man. I don't see be a side, man.
Alright,
I need to do it. Oh, you can't start. I said, I want to make a call. I want to make she say, after you come fast, then you can say, I want to make you just call me all of a sudden say. And then you can't tell him, you know, so I see him, so he asked me to do work or let me just check the show on.
Push up it and lock up the door so you can hear that song and sound. No love.
Drop the shop off?
Tommy.
I'm sorry, I'm take it down.
Big boy.
Oh, you have to sit down for your phone. You have to double click. You have to click on it. You have to try going in the settings and what me done? Go across the screen.
Well, you have to double click when the box come over it.
I know how to do it, man, but I just take off.
You said check MKDHD, dog.
I have to go through city for search. On the box, man, I can hear you for that click on it. You can start by saying, you come fast, man. I'm ready.
You come fast though, cause
You want to know say you call me? I have some money to give me?
basically, you know, say I see him sitting here, maybe we do just a come off a car.
I come from your side. Yes, you know, say.
Basically, you see him sitting here, maybe we do it.
No, I don't want to say this. I'm just going to go straight. You know, sir. You know, sir, it's something you ask me to deal with Chevron. Yeah, same thing. So, I just come off my phone with Chevron and boy, everything work out. See, and it work out real good. Like that.
I full shoes that, man.
Just big boy. Ready now? Ready, Ackeen. Ready.
So I'm here to talk to her, she has to
No, yeah, man,
Are you how we did?
Right. Just say me come for me. So I'm some money you have to give me?
I know, say I see him sitting there, ask me for the door, whichever I do it do.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, he reach over.
Hold on. Shaban, you gone up?
He reach over.
No, I'm scared.
Hey, me tell you, me tell you, say you're a star,
You know, I feel...
Look back, I keep it one longer, man.
God.
Ready now.
Hold on. Shaban, gone over already?
Yes.
Yo, you know what say you're a star? If nobody else would ask to do this, then could have never come true. I tell you, you're a real star, so that means I can't get in, you know?
Yes, because it's better for him and it's better for you too.
You mean a long time?
Well, me want to talk a little bit more, like say, yo, it's better for him, and I'm gonna find a good life over there, it's better for you now, so it's better for you. But yeah,
you work out.
Yeah, because
between you and her.
Yeah, because a long time, and she a friend. And just elaborate on that about the friends and business. Sorry. I'm ready.
Because it's better for him and it's better for you too. Because watch out now, because... Oh, no, it's not you.
Yeah, it's better for him and it's better for you.
Watch out now, because... A long time I want her, because... No, I gone too far.
Yeah, that's what someone say, yo, listen, better for him, better for you. Because I know say a long time, Alexi, our friend, you know.
Yeah.
So I just hope it work out for you because guess what?
I'm doing the local party, I'm doing the party.
No man, tell you what like man, you know what the story about, you know? The story is about Chevron got a friend, him asked if he do it, and but you know Alexi don't want him, so you had give him advice about that.
So many people already say better for him and better for you.
Yeah, boy, you say that.
You know, like when some
And
people
get
not know,
say,
they can't get through, but I still deal with them.
Just hope say work out for you and her, cause a long time I want her. Start from the party?
Yeah, everything, yes, everything. I already know.
Cause it better for him and it better for you. You know, a long time I want Alexis sisters, you know. A long time, cause so I just hope everything work out, cause I'm a friend for 13 to 14 years, cause if you need one, you know, they with you a long time. So just hope say, no, cause me just tell us, I just hope everything work out.
Of course it's not gonna work out. That sound like that.
More tell him, say, you know, but the negativity.
Yeah, man.
I say, cause nobody will negativity. That means I like it, you know, cause nobody will negativity.
Because nobody will negativity, because now I know, say, she's heartbroken.
Yeah.
She's going to need all the support from me, which she can get.
Yeah.
I mean, I sit on you, know.
I'm ready.
Give me. Let's sound something. You know, I'm not talking about work out, man. Let's sound something. Gone, man. I know that she have a heartbroken right now, and me, she always a call for support. So you know, so like how she's single, you know, that them man they gone, and me, she have to deal with it now. We don't get through, man. I'm not top with the negativity, man. I talk to me like, say, I don't believe, say, I can't get it.
Cause, me just a say, cause.
Yeah.
Me just a say.
Just I say, yeah, when I say that now, say, me just I say, because enough man want me, and baby, and...
I'm very say, no man want me, I want to see it. He panty what? He panty catches and put him head
Well, that was a deep, but enough man want me.
Want me, I mean them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
I may have them in a friend zone.
You can't even see something.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Cause, me just a say. Cause...
Where you want?
If you want?
Where you want?
You can't
give man,
yeah, see that. If taxi man a call you.
If I'm a driver, not you.
Yeah.
Oh, you jump out your nose? I'm ready.
Cause, me just a say. Cause enough man want me, and me have them in a friend zone.
I tell you, cause me and Alexi think different, man. Right, me I get here, man. I am here, man.
Right, cause...
Alright, I never realize, but hope say not dead. Because we say movie dead. You understand? No, yeah, because we movie shoot more uptown and respect. I will shoot no for part of it. So uptown...
That's not dead, that's so lively.
No, me attack. You know what I mean? I don't know.
Yeah, I know what you say. You want to look at Jamaica.
You want to, that's why I tell you, say, yo, enough man, I look.
It's not that me this year.
No, man, I understand me now. I understand I'm curious, I say you want to put more emphasis on it.
Oh,
yeah,
more
I can't
energy.
say then can't see me the jazz scratches.
Oh.
I think that bad. That bad?
No, that's good.
Enough
So
man
start
want
back on
you
the
can't
past,
do
me just a say cause.
Right.
Enough man want me,
And
then can't do smell me jazz sketches.
Yeah, them in a friend zone.
We have them in a friend zone. That's what
And they go in a friend zone forever.
And they go in a friend zone.
Because I don't see them as somebody who want to look on top of me.
Okay.
I see the mathematics now because you want the blood.
Alright. We love this ever.
Hold on.
Rough. Alright, you get there now.
Already.
Ready.
Cause, me just a say, cause enough man want to smell this a jazz sketches and can't smell them. Me have them in a friend zone. And me and them will never there. Much as you come on top of me. Hear me I say, cause, me just a tell you something.
But because that's you, man. I want to man, we are content about all the jazz catches fight.
Cause, you know, something like how you behave. Me just a put up a girl look at it. I'm not like how you behave, man.
I've looked faith in them, man. Me will get in. So you said, gone.
Yes, cause.
The whole gone.
Deal with it.
So she'll call man because she heartbroken. She always a call me, you know, everything you want to call me, send me go uptown and parade and all, but you know how long me I wait for this moment?
You know, cause.
Make Yo, so
Alright,
so the things that Lexi can call now.
But I want to emphasize, say, where are you now?
Siobhan.
One thing I can say, yo,
Siobhan
see
boyfriend,
Siobhan, when Siobhan lock let's see now. So I call him, it's going to cut down someone call him. Because, like, you want that love when
you man that the man they call it
get
cut
that man
down.
that yeah, show say,
Yeah, but sorry. If people want to say if you come to the
alright, tell us who come for you.
Alright.
One shot.
Then done the mother cup.
Yeah, man, tell us who come for you.
Alright, carry on. Yeah, man, okay.
Come on, Tiffy. Come here. Go for it. I see over, you can't pass this. Give them some collect this. Yeah.
They have a key over there?
Yeah, they have a key. Alright, so keep on going then. We can probably slice that part there in some place, right? Alright.
Yeah, man.
Ackeen, how many if you tell you? It's like a conversation them with JR them had this morning. You shoot them too tight. The reason why? Then tight shot there for when a man and a woman attack. And the conversation intense.
No, you see, because it's nice and everything. But he can't hear this when I come round. You see when I come round though?
When man and man attack, it shot off so tight. It look too intimate.
Yes, when you come round, but he can't give up on the situation like that because it's nice and everything. And
Copy boy.
No, you know some people sometimes you tell them fitness every tapping eyes and when nobody feel no way about that. So I just shoot it. Ready? Yeah man, she call me because me always call me, send me go uptown and parade and all about, so me hurt until she call me, I'll get in. And you see one Siobhan too, why me I tell her? He call him, my call him get cut down because so right now I know so I call him out come in more frequent. Me usually could have call her certain hours and night, via how him lock her, and then the call get cut off. Say, yo, you see, I look, you think you're easy? You the man gonna find with woman, yo, you're tough, me rate the cousin. I forget it.
Alright, cuz. Wait,
Alright, so wait.
Javon.
You know?
You realize he ain't said Javon?
Siobhan,
Javon.
Alright, what me I say? So you check, you can answer team say, ambition you know, you're jump say me, ambition you never say I jump up and answer this and that ambition you have. When I get when I white girl, I'm saying I'm fine too. You want to yeah. So that's how I give them looking into it.
Wait, say to this all
Jump up and ambition and
jump up and down and happy.
Ambition you have. Girl feel you can go find, go better your life too. So they are in Jamaican girl.
Yeah, tell them the ambition you have for you.
Yeah.
Because you could have get when I white girl on power tail.
Go overseas to get better life. They are jump up and down.
Like your man.
Alright. Yeah.
How would that be?
Nice control. Come on, me not. You see, if you have come out of paramilitary training, Richie, and if you deal with them, I sit with people now, no discipline dog, you're up.
I say you got to say world state.
World full of discipline.
World full of no discipline. Unless the more teach military school. Right, ready now.
You jump up and down ambition and have.
No, I think that too
Jive.
Laugh and say it.
Yeah, come
Laugh and say it.
Oh, now let's look before that. Just use take pan share. You jump off with a jive. Just say it.
Yeah, so
you see now easy enough.
Yeah.
Take from those and then if you want to reply.
Ready now.
I see how you're not easy, you know. Get the man gonna fuck me up. You're tough. You're tough, girl.
You come up, boy, you jump up and down ambition and have. I'm making anything myself to get when a white girl them give if you go overseas, go make life better for you.
Stop man, someone. I want to say Alexi, me love. Look how long me, look about 13, 14, me love Alexi, me love, man. I'm telling you, man.
Alright. Hope things work out. Wish you all the best. Say it again. Hope things work out for you. Alright.
Tell him, say, no, Alexi, me love, man. But you want Alexi call Ackeen right just in court?
Yeah, take call, man.
Alright, so anytime she said that already, the last part I want to say, you couldn't
when Lex went to the call,
turn off your
your voice is here in the background?
No, try to turn off because it's a gift from
me. Your voice is here in the background, no?
When Lexi
call.
Yeah.
I wish Lexi. So Lexi
we see her there again.
Yeah, man.
Lexi, only the part with Hardy.
Yeah.
My
Yeah, man,
voice
your
is
voice
there,
calling.
Yeah.
Your
voice
voice
is
make you hear it.
Yeah, you want to conquer. You want to stop right and that means your voice in the background. So Bam, you can just...
You can just catch one little piece and then switch it back to Lexi.
Yeah, man.
What you say?
You can get some more. If any part you can get out tight, take it. But any part you don't get out tight, you make it go on while carry a jive. You know what I mean?
Go catch one part then I'll see what I go on.
Oh, you look on fire.
You still a video, brother?
So don't let them fool you with them innocence.
Look, that camera for me.
This is a place where cameras work all the time.
Look, the for me.
Don't let them fool you with them innocence.
What going on, youngie?
We'll call our way. We come up here.
Hey.
I'm afraid, man.
You want charger or some charger?
What are you doing to that? You alright, go?
Don't let them fool you.
Alright, so BTS done right now. I just like memorize which one I did set to Lexi.
You're cool in there, man. You're cool in
Pick up
there.
on yourself. Subscribe,
Yeah,
like,
man,
share,
go.
all the good things. Later.